You can take na your bracelet. Wear it, ha? So, take care of your bracelet, bebe, ha? Mama can touch that one, ha? Friends, it's okay lang po. Kahit yung mga friend niya sa school, okay lang matouch yan, ha?
Put my lap, put inside.
Hindi siya maano. It's okay, bebe. Just like this. Open your hands like this. Okay, ha? So, I'll give you this pouch, bebe, ha?
The sound was loud.
The sound is loud.
This one is for cleansing your bracelet so that I remove all the negativity who touch your stones, okay? So this one, if you will not use this one, put it here and then put it on your back, okay? While you're sleeping,